one of the oldest states in the world, colorful and sunny Tajikistan is rapidly gaining progressive attention. Here are the most delicious fruits and vegetables in the world due to abundant sunny days, clear mountain waters, fresh air, and of course, favorable soil. Products of Tajik origin are increasingly conquering world markets and the hearts of consumers. Main cities of Tajikistan and population as of December 31st, 2021. The government of Tajikistan is expeditiously strengthening the national system of support and development of exports, which during the years of independence began to give the desired results. The country has established an agency export under the government of the Republic of Tajikistan, Export Development Commission and Trade Facilitation Committee. Since September 2020, the full form of the Single Window Regulation for Export-Import and Transit Operations in the Republic of Tajikistan has been officially launched, and also the Registered Export System of the European Union countries has been introduced. In recent years, the structure of exports has increased from 342 to 450 items, reducing the share of imports. The undergrounds of Tajikistan contain the entire periodic table of Mendeleev, and therefore, more than half of exports are accounted for by the industrial sector. Next is the energy and agricultural sector. Tajikistan has the world's largest deposits of silver and boron, which can be exported on par with the coal, aluminium, and zinc in the future. Organic products under the label Made in Tajikistan have become popular in the Commonwealths of independent states, Europe, America, and China. Favorable weather conditions in different regions of Tajikistan give the benefits of exporting fresh and dry fruits all year round. Tajikistan, due to its natural geographical conditions, has always served as a bridge between people and entire civilizations, and can become a link connecting the countries of Southeast Asia with the countries of the Middle East and Europe. The strategic goal is to turn the Republic of Tajikistan into a transit country, reviving the Great Silk Road and updating the status of international transport corridors. Tajik legislation provides 109 incentives for entrepreneurs and investors, 57 types of which are tax incentives, 35 types of customs, 17 types of financial incentives, and real government programs and grants. Key export destinations for Tajik products. Tajikistan has already adopted the state program for the development of exports for 2021 to 2025. It was developed considering the main directions in the foreign trade sphere highlighted in the message of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan on December 26, 2019. We value our advantages, develop directions and invite partners for cooperation. We are driven by love and respect for our native land, trust and openness towards our partners. Welcome to Tajikistan, the heart of ancient Asia.